Good afternoon, everyone. Before we sing, I would like to give you an idea on how Filipinos celebrate Christmas in the Philippines. People in the Philippines love to celebrate Christmas for as long as possible. The playing of Christmas carols in shops can start in September. On the very first day of September, you can see those lights and Christmas decors on the streets or everywhere. The formal celebration starts on the 16th of December, and it is the first 9 pre-dawn or early morning masses where many people go to the church to attend mass called Misa de Gallo or Simbang Gabi in Tagalog. Most Filipinos are Christian, with about 80% people being Catholics. It is the only Asian country with so many Christians. Christmas is the most awaited holiday that every people is looking forward to. Many people stay awake all night on Christmas Eve, attended the midnight mass, then celebrate Noche Buena, or what we are called midnight feast, with their families and friends. They happily greet each other, Maligayang Pasko or Merry Christmas. Today, we are going to perform a Tagalog or Filipino song expresses how special to the Filipinos to celebrate Christmas with their families and loved ones, and also how overseas workers celebrate their important holiday away from home. So, in behalf of the Filipino teachers, we would like to extend our warm greetings to each and every one of you. It is our great honor and privilege to be part of Dulce Independent School District. Thank you, and may you have a happy and safe holiday. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to present to you the Filipino teachers singing Ang Pasko Ay Kay Saya. Maraming salamat po.
Sa atin ang Pasko, naiiba ang pagdiriwang dito. Pasko sa hanapin mo, walang tulad dito ang Pasko.
Lagi mo na maiisip na sila'y nandito sana, at sa Noche Buena ay magkakasama. Ang Pasko ay kaya kayo'y mag-iingat sa sarap sa Pilipinas. Kayo'y narito kahit
alam namin hindi mo nais malayo. Mas kung Pinoy pa rin sa ating puso. Lagi mo nang maiisip na sila'y nandito sana, at sa Noche Buena ay magkakasama.